Here we go, we're filming. David. Hello, Dave.
Hi, Steve.
Guy, Eva.
Yeah.
Come on. Who's this?
Hi.
Caroline. Harry.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy?
Go back up to the...
Elaine, what have you got to say for yourself, young lady?
We've had a lovely family day out.
Yes, we have. Pam?
Hi. Come on, girls. You ready to run back?
We are at
and go to the
Chatsworth
garden?
House in Derbyshire,
Let me just get prepared.
in the Peak District.
Ready?
Is it the Peak District? There we go, there they go.
I'll laugh now.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Actually, you know what? I just want to walk down to the river. Oh, look at this. So beautiful here. See all the sheep dotted on the hillside. The only problem with this GoPro is you can't zoom. Look at this tree. Here's Chatsworth House. Okay, let's pause this.